to those who suffered in this tragedy. Overall, this colossal monument tells a story. It memorialized those who died in the Maine and in the Spanish-American War. It also celebrates Cuba as a new and independent country. Lastly, it commemorates the United States' sudden leap to becoming a world power. Hello again, this is Lyle with Manhattan and Beyond Tours. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can appreciate the USS Maine National Monument and public monuments in general a bit more. This monument is difficult, but if you take your time and look at the elements the artists employ on public monuments, you can also gain a more clear understanding of the person or the event being memorialized. Please feel free to share this with friends. Come take a tour with Manhattan Beyond Tours. If you didn't receive this through an email, you can go to our website, www.manhattanandbeyondtours, that's spelled right out, Manhattan and Beyond Tours, no spaces, and you will find a subscription button and tour booking links. Thank you very much. Stay safe and be well. And oh yes, no pigeons were injured in the making of this video.